Here I camera 4. The time is now 5:38. Striking my little pose right here because I have on my Kentucky Derby hat, and you know you're going to need it with all of the beautiful sunshine we're going to see.
That's right. You are Derby ready. You got
Thank
the
you.
seersucker, the bow tie, the hat. I'm loving it.
I'm ready to go. Now I'm just missing the TV and a nice cool beverage to watch the horses race.
A little mint
That's
julep.
Right. I got to tell everybody at home, the smile on Wanye's face as soon as that soundbite came up as he went to go reach for that hat. Man, I wish you could have seen that.
I love my hats.
He does. He has quite the collection.
All right, so yeah, great weather on Saturday if you want to watch it outside. Maybe with a slight chance of a sprinkle, so don't put the TV outside. But you could spend a lot of time outside. Today, we're going to be looking at overcast skies across central Georgia. Waking up to temperatures mainly in the 50s this morning, but also working in a spotty 40-degree temperature as well. Dublin was down in the 40s, now to 50 degrees. 53 in Warner Robins, 52 in Macon, and 54 in Milledgeville. 55 in Perry, 53 in Cochran, 49 in Sandersville, and 51 in Forsyth this morning. You can see down in Eastman at 48 in McRae, 54 in Vidalia, and 50 in Monticello this morning. Now, what you see here in and around Macon, Warner Robins, Dublin, Irwinton is green on the radar map. If you look out your window, you're not going to see rain. However, if you're over, say, near Butler or, say, back towards Harris County near the Alabama state line, running into a few showers out there, and we're going to be looking at more showers through the course of the day ahead as the system that you see back into Alabama and Mississippi continues to pull towards central Georgia. You can see very scattered in nature, and they're going to become even more scattered as they move into central Georgia through the course of the day ahead. So you saw just a few scattered showers this morning, but then by the time we get to the afternoon, the best chance of rain is going to be along and north of Interstate 16. You can see a steady rainfall will be possible at times before it becomes more scattered once again by about 5 p.m. and then even by 9 o'clock tonight, hanging on to a few showers as the clouds persist through the overnight hours. On into tomorrow morning, 1 or 2 showers off to the northeast. The clouds are going to begin to break up a bit through the day tomorrow, but still with a shower or 2 around central Georgia. Great weather for the Kentucky Derby tomorrow afternoon if you want to watch it and spend some time outside. Temperatures in the 70s, a mix of sun and clouds, but still the small chance of a shower. And then once we get into the evening, that will begin to fade away before we get into Sunday, and we'll do something similar with spotty showers in and around central Georgia. That's going to be our pattern through the next week or so, is going to be on and off showers through the area. There we are on Monday on into Tuesday. You see the trend here across the southeast. Today, a high temperature of 68 for the Cinco de Mayo with the passing showers, especially to the north. Sunrise at 6:44, winds out of the northeast 5 to 10 miles an hour, but that 68 is not necessarily indicative of everywhere. You can see down to the south, we are going to get into the 70s. Meanwhile, up to the north, only into the mid-60s. 65 in Thomaston, 66 in Forsyth. Meanwhile, 77 in Cordele and 75 over in McRae. Also, Central Georgia Technical College has their graduation over at the Centerplex this morning. It is going to be a cool start with temperatures in the 50s and then only making it into the 60s with isolated showers in and around the area. And then GCSU, yep, much of the same. 2 graduations today with a high temperature of 71 and then 77 for Saturday with a mix of sun, clouds, and maybe a sprinkle. So there's the 7-day forecast. We are starting that warming trend tomorrow. 86 by Sunday, 87 by Monday, and we are not stopping there. Our first 90-degree temperature of the year expected the middle part of next week with a 20% chance of rain each day.